काव्यनाटकान्ति प्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिम्.
The overview of the workshop will be briefed by the program convener and resource person and yoga training by Mr. T. Venkatraghavan.
Okay, good morning to you all. And on behalf of the college, principal, staff and students and yoga well-wishers and practitioners and aspirants, yoga is secular, natural, simple, accessible, affordable, curable, manageable, no difficulty. All the world religions lead to ultimate spiritual reality. All the therapies of the world lead to the ultimate cure, happiness, and that's all. And here what Principal was telling, and Principal is also just said a word just now with the presence of Mr. Ahmad Yoga Master Virat, very extremely overwhelmed in the presence of technology and because of your International Yoga Day tomorrow. And I don't speak much. We'll start practicals later on, simple techniques. And here, before the program begins, I say there may be some lapses because time was very short. I personally very much delighted when Principal accepted readily, and thanks to Ravindranath and the Physical Director is all the time is very active and supporting with me, and all other teachers who have extended support to me, and we are extremely happy once again to Mr. Ahmad Iraq and the chief guest, my yoga master, my Guruji. He doesn't accept the word when I say he is my teacher, he doesn't accept, but even then he is my spiritual Guruji. We both of us students of Suri Raghava Dikshit, who is no more, who lived for 98 years, and Yogi Ram, the police officer, also yoga master Vidyanagar, both of us students of the great personalities, yoga legends. Kitchen is the clinic, diet is the medicine, mind is the doctor, body is the temple. Thank you, please. Got it? అంటే మీరు ఎగ్జామ్ చేసిన కన్ను మొత్తం కూడా ఒక పాంజలో ఆడుతూ ఉంటుంది, గాలిలో పెట్టుకోండి. ఈ స్టేజ్ రావాలి, అది మోపడం అంటారు, బట్ స్కిప్పింగ్ అంతే ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఆడుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఈ స్టేజ్ రావాలి, దాని పేపర్స్ అవసరం లేదు. ఓకే, కమా ఇవే క్లాస్ ఎలా ఉంది? Come here. ఇప్పుడు ఒకటి కలర్ బాగా చేయించాను. ఓకే, ఇంకో చెప్పు చెప్తాను, సింపుల్. కమాన్ రెడీ, ఫాలో మీ. ఓకే, గాలి గట్టిగా ఆల్ టుగెదర్. కమాన్ సో గట్టిగా గాలి వేసుకోవాలి. చూడండి, కమాన్ గట్టిగా. 1 2 3 4 రోజులకు 5 6 7 8 9 10. ఓకే, వీళ్ళందరికీ కోపం వస్తుంది. ఆడియన్స్ కూడా క్లాప్ చేయండి. గివ్ ఎ క్లాప్, ఆడియన్స్ గివ్ ఎ క్లాప్. Breathe in, come on, up, left, right, back. Again down, relax, come on. Breathe in, come on, up, breathe in, come on, backward, hold the breath, backward, left, right, back. Okay, now free hands, sitting down, come on, sit tight, sit outside, straight, very good, straight, गाली मत आगे जाओ, बात Yes, come on, come on. Yes. Left, turn to left. Right, back. Relax. Breathe out, breathe out, breathe out, breathe out, breathe out. Knee under. Stop. Come on, sit. Sit front, sit. Nasal sweeping. Very good. Nasal sweeping. Nasal sweeping. Don't say about it. Very good, very good. Nasal sweeping. Slow stop. Very good, very good. Backward. Forward. Backward. Forward. Very good. Next step. Come on. Let me walk. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Come on. Come on. Sitting. Kera. Amma bothro. Kera bothro. ఇక్కడ తగలాలి. 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 దారి ఇస్తుంది. దారి కాదు. Come on, son. Come on, son. Back. Son. Back. Okay. We'll under calf work. Okay? Right. Yeah. The point is sniffing. Nasal sniffing. This was sniffing. Okay? Sniffing. Nasal. Like it, you know. This is sniffing. Complete head must be clean. Calf pranayama. The important thing is there are two nostrils because body biologically medical. Surya Nadi, Chandra Nadi. Right nostril works for the body. When you feel fatigue physically, right is blocked. When you are mentally fatigued, left is blocked. When both are blocked, mind and body blocked. Traffic is blocked. Okay? The point is, right must be clear, left must be clear. Not 50-50, 45-55. Okay? That's what we call Sushumna Nadi. Then comes Kundalini. Then Kundalini Subrahmanyam. Okay? Let us see. We'll take it breath. Follow me. See like it now. Alright. 1. You can don't worry. Okay, second is. Alright. Keep conscious ready. Focus keep it come on. Come on. Exhale. Good. Gatiga. Okay. Good. Now. And then here right seems to block. So one more break like this, you know. Second is, this is called abdominal breathing. Abdominal breathing, chest breathing, lungs breathing, throat breathing, nose breathing. Heart you are making nasal breathing. That is obstructed breathing. And most importantly, Hyderabad nose is highly defective. Left is all the time blocked. Tension. So up and down. We'll see Bharata come here. Come on, sure. Can you observe? Left is blocked. Central block है. It's not mentally free. Left block. Okay? Second case. Friends sir, ఏమనుకో. You are helping us. మీరు మంచి కూడా కాలు మొత్తం బాగుంటుంది. Right block है. You have to come back to that. Yeah, come. Can you come? Please come. Yes. The yoga believes in action, purity, sincerity, clarity, ability. Left is block. Sitting of grandmother, mama. Yes. Take full step. Full step. Yes. Full step. Run follow that. Run follow that. Okay? Yes. Okay. Yes. Follow that. This is called. You get up to different options. Walking, standing, bending, twisting, lying on the bed. Simple technique. Very simple technique. Anyone can practice. Yes. The point is, breathing in. గుడ్. ఇది నీకు అర్థం కావాలి. బ్రెత్ చేసేటప్పుడు మూలాధార చక్ర అంటాం, సప్త చక్రాలు. పెరీనియం నుంచి క్రేనియం వరకు ఎనర్జీ నింపాలి. ఓరల్ బాగుంటే కోలన్ బాగుంటుంది. ఇది మర్చిపోవద్దు. సమన్ 4 మీటర్ లాంగ్ ట్యూబ్, ఇట్ మస్ట్ బి అడ్జస్ట్. దట్స్ ఆల్. అది చేయగలిగితే ఎంత ఎక్సెల్ చేసినా ఉంటుంది. వేరే లవ్లీ మోటర్ వేసుకున్నట్టు లేదు. ఓకే రైట్. కమాన్ రీడ్ వన్స్ అగైన్. 5 స్టాండింగ్ బ్రీదింగ్. కమాన్ 1. నేను చెప్తాను. రైట్ కమాన్ 1 2 కమాన్ 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. ఓకే ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి అక్కడే ఉండి ఫుల్ బ్రీతింగ్. ఓకే ఇంకోటి చెప్పండి. To check your body now, you must bend totally, exhaling, inhale like this. Okay, full breathing. Okay, then exhale and bend complete down. Exhale. Dushama, ఇంకా. Good. Come on. ఇంకా వంకలేదు. అది కథ అర్థం కావాలి. ఓకే చూసే మొక్కలు కాదు కొడుతున్నాడు. మొక్కలు ఎటు ఉండాలి.